In this video, we will learn how to use count blank function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data with the heading customer ID, customer name, account types, and account number. Here I'm using the count blank function on account number column. So in account number, have some account number, have some blank cell, and I have some text. So count blank function only count the blank cell. So here in column only two blank cell available. So let's start how it's done. So I'm using here count blank function is equal to enter the count blank in third one and just tap it, select the full column, bracket close and just enter. Here in this column count blank cell only 2. So two count of blank cell is in this column. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.